Well, hello everyone, David Cook, another video we're doing on this kitchen. So one of the questions people ask, it's the number one question about kitchen cabinets, aside from replacing it versus new, is how much is it going to cost? So there is some variance into how much kitchen cabinets cost to paint. So for this kitchen, we had 41 doors, 17 drawers, and 5 faces. And the faces are these end pieces. That was added, it wasn't there before. This was added, so it wasn't there before in the price, so that'll be an extra. And then the side of the refrigerator has a panel. So for the 41, 17, and 5 pieces, doors, I have it written down to make sure I got it right. So doors are going to vary between $120 to $140. The drawers are going to be between $80 to $90, and the faces are between $80 to $95. That's kind of the range you're going to get. Part of it depends on the paint color. So if you have to get a different color, some of the paint tints are a little bit more for us to get. And the primer, so if you're going black, you have to get a specialized black primer, which is not in the normal wheelhouse of stuff. And then prep work, you can see where they've been filling the holes with Bondo. And wood filler and caulking, so that adds to the price. The more masking we do, the more it affects the price too. Sometimes we get to the house where we get to paint the house after we've spun spraying cabinets, so it makes it a lot easier for masking. We don't have to mask all the walls and trim, so it makes it really easy to do. Holes for here, they're keeping the same hardware, so we don't have to worry about filling any holes from handles. There's a difference between, like, say, oak, maple, cherry. So if you're doing oak cabinets, there's actually an additional layer that we do for filling grain, so that can affect the cost. And then backsplash here, they're replacing the backsplash, so it's kind of nice. We don't have to worry about masking that. But if we're doing the backsplash, sometimes we paint the backsplashes. So again, it can decrease the cost a little bit of the prep, but those are all different. Those are the big ones that affect the cost. So like this one before they added on was $48.50. We'll have some add-ons for, like I said, these two areas, but overall kind of gives you an idea of what you can expect to pay. It's a good ballpark. Send over pictures. We'll give you that same ballpark, and we'll come out, take a look at everything, give you a final number, and then you'll know exactly what it's going to cost to repaint your kitchen cabinets. Hopefully that helps. If you got questions on pricing or questions on how we do our processes, so other videos will keep increasing, keep doing. But if you have questions, please let us know. We're here to help you love the space you're in with painting, wallpaper, and redoing your cabinets. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.